Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ShareASale affiliate network in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with ShareASale affiliate network in the USA, start by visiting the ShareASale website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign-up form requiring your email address. Provide a valid email address that you frequently check. Create a secure password for your ShareASale account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria for security. Next, select the type of account you want to register for. Choose Affiliate to apply as an affiliate marketer. Fill in your personal details, including your first and last name. Enter your address information accurately. Provide a phone number where you can be reached. Complete the additional required fields regarding your marketing methods. Describe how you plan to promote the products you'll be affiliate marketing. Once you have filled out all necessary information, review the terms and conditions. Make sure to read the agreement thoroughly to understand the rules. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. After confirming the agreement, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email from ShareASale. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the ShareASale website. Log in with your newly created email address and password. Complete any remaining details in your account profile. Set up your payment preferences to receive your commissions. Explore the ShareASale dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Begin searching for affiliate programs that align with your niche. Apply to the programs you're interested in promoting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.